YouTube? It's your boy Dan, you mid? Stop. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a little small mod to the car. Nothing too crazy, nothing extravagant, you mean? I'm putting what's they called? The lights, bro. I'm covering the lights, bro. It's that simple, bro. Nothing crazy, bro. But before I do that, first I'm gonna wet this rag. I'm gonna make sure I clean the surface and things of that nature. Then go in with the alcohol. Man, y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it to everybody you know and more. And I mean everyone. When I say everyone, that's stuff. Come on, cuz. We gonna wait, cousin. We gonna wait, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like the video up, bro. I'm just trying. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be. Oh, chill. Do rag lines, yo. And it's a lot of bees. Y'all know how I feel about bees. The birds keep chirping. I'm about to get mad. That's tough. But, bro, there's too many bees out here, bro. I'm tweaking. I'm about to. That's tough. Come on. I can't do nothing, man. You mean just flew by me. Like, come on, cuz. I'm just trying, you mean. I'm trying, you mean. And chill off my bucket, man. Good. And another thing, I know y'all probably asking, yo, why he got gloves on, dipping his gloves in water? I don't know, bro. I'm special. That's tough. I don't know why I just did that. I don't know why I got gloves on. I just thought I should have gloves on. I don't know, bro. Another thing I want y'all to know. I am not a mechanic. Do I know what I'm doing? I have no clue what I'm doing. Am I gonna do it though? Yeah. You wanna know why I'm gonna do it? Cause I'm him. That's tough. Like I said before, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it to everybody you know and more. That stuff. Stay tuned. Now that I clean, bro. Now that I cleaned the Jones off, bro, I gotta put, bro. I'm about to tweak out, cuz. I'm about to tweak out on something crazy. Waves on swim, that stuff. Alright, like I was saying. Now that I cleaned the Jones off with the water now I gotta put the alcohol on it. And I put the alcohol on it, it's gonna make sure the dang thing, you mean that. But before I do that, I'm gonna go grab the box. Here go the box that it came in, son. This is not your regular degular. You see me? The regular degular for these things is regular tint. I don't know how to do tint. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. Listen. So these joints is literally covers. Like I said before, it's like hard shell covers. And you click it on. So that simple. Well, hopefully it's that simple. Cause me personally, I don't know what I'm doing, like I said before. So we just gonna do it and we gonna see. We gonna see what happens when I do it. So this is a learning experience. Here goes the rag. Here goes the alcohol. Alcohol on rag. That simple, cuz. Oh, that's too much alcohol. How am I supposed to know? First time, guys. You learning with me. We learning together. Should I add more alcohol? I don't know, but guess what I'm gonna do? Guess. I'm waiting. Type it in the comments. Type in the comments what you think I'm gonna do. Am I gonna add more? Am I not gonna add more? Yes, bro. This like Dora. We're really waiting for you to type it in the comments, cuz. Like, come on, cuz. Yeah. I'm gonna add more to it. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Is that a lot? I guess so. I guess so. And this is not a paid promotion. So, just because it's not a paid promotion, not a paid promotion, I don't know the name of the company, but therefore, I most likely, depending on how I'm feeling, I might link it in the description. So if you want to do this instead of getting the tents, since this is supposed to be easier to, go ahead in that link, click that link, go ahead and buy yourself one. That's tough. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I had 2024 on God. And get straight to the end. Alright. See me? I'm the type man, I read instructions. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. It says pour the alcohol on the rag or wipe it down. Wipe it down. Make sure you wipe it down. I wiped it down. I did that. It's done. That over with. Over with. Done. Packed up. Then they say before more to take, make sure it test fit. Make sure it fit right. Familiar side. I said familiar side. I meant to say familiarize. I'm a scholar. Chill. Familiarize yourself. Familiarize yourself with the trims fit. Let's do that. Oh my god. See time. They had content the red. That tape. That right now tape. The tape. If you use the tape right, it extra tape in the back, in the box. As you can see, this is hard plastic. Hard plastic. So we're just gonna pop this open like chill. I don't know what sign that was, twin. But that definitely wasn't me. Definitely wasn't me, twin. Definitely. I don't know who that was. But it wasn't me. It probably was a guy next door that you shared the video to. Oh god. Oh. You know, I'm gonna leave this on, right? I'm gonna leave this on before I test the fit on the goddamn car. It fits like butter. Alright, bet, son. Alright, bet, son. Are you nervous, son? You nervous? I'm nervous, son. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like 90 degrees outside, sweating heavily. And for some reason, I just really don't want to mess up, son. Like, I'm scratching. That's how bad I don't want to mess up. Like, crack. But we gonna get it right. We gonna get it right the first time, twin, cause Cause goddamn it, I got to. Ugly. If you remember what I said earlier, goddamn tape. If you need extra tape, they give you extra tape. Okay, so the tape on the side is sticky. It's sticky. It's super sticky. My thing is, my dumb ass ain't bring goddamn scissors or nothing, son. I'm not using my mouth to peel no tape. That's chopped. That's over with. Packed up in the trash. Right here. Ugly. Bars. Fine. Stay put while I go get some goddamn scissors to cut the goddamn tape. Like these. Ugly. I'll be back. You better not move, twin. You better stay here. Ugly. Stay here. Ugly. Stay here. Oh. Wrist piece on bling blow. Neck piece on blizzard, baby. Like I said, red tape. You just gotta take the tape off. I think this is the part where I mess up because I don't know how to. I can't get the tape. Nice. Wow. You mean this is the regular job? Nothing crazy, nothing exquisite. Look, put it on there now. Alright. Air dry that job. Wait for it to dry for a little bit. It's almost dry. I see a little bit more. Alright, back. I peeled the tape off the John. So we about to put the John on the Yemeni. Alright. Boom. That's simple. First John. First John on. Tape on. Push it in. Make sure that it's on. The instructions say push it on for a minute. So I'm going to sit here for like a little bit. And I'm going to just do this. So on the other side. Left side of the car. Wait. Right side of the car. That's tough. Alright, we got this side on, taped up. It don't matter that you got this on your car. You just gotta get this part on, and y'all gonna see the final product. All the way from there. Oh, yo. Stop. Alright, y'all. We done. This is what it look like. Calm. We're gonna get a quick startup so y'all can see and hear the car. That's tough. That is tough, bro. That is tough, bro. First little upgrade, cuz. Yeah. Show 'em thorough. How y'all rocking with it, man? Let me know in the comments. How y'all feel about it. Alright, that right there is the end of the video, man. Make sure like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Make sure y'all let me know how y'all feel about the little upgrade and things of that nature. And I just want to let y'all know that I will be coming at y'all with the content. Thank you. Peace.
give me the dough. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna